It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 21st of February. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather warming up in a big way again today. Many spots will see 70 today and tomorrow. Then a cold front brings a chance of showers in here tomorrow night. Weekend looks nice. And next week, a fairly dynamic system comes into play. Could we see severe storms? All of the new data is in, so let's take a look. This is the upper air look early this morning. We have a sharp trough off the Atlantic coast and a northerly flow aloft here. That, of course, means a dry air mass and a nice day coming up today. Here's a peek at the radar composite across the country this morning. Things are relatively quiet. We got a few spots below freezing over North Alabama this morning. Upper 20s for Aniana and Gadsden. Jasper sitting at 32. Most locations are in the upper 30s and low 40s across the state. Huntsville 41. And again, we're expecting highs in the upper 60s and low 70s in most spots today. Going to feel a little like springtime today and tomorrow. Here's a look at the watch warning map around the nation. Still some flash flood watches for parts of California. Winter weather advisories for parts of Utah, Colorado, and Wyoming. And a foggy start to the day for parts of the Mississippi Gulf Coast and the southern half of Louisiana. That's a dense fog advisory. Here's the severe weather outlook today and tonight. We have a couple of small marginal risks, one south of Chicago and one near Springfield, Missouri. Tomorrow, no severe storms are expected. There could be a clap of thunder over North Alabama tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, but again, no severe storms expected. And on day 3, which is Friday, a chance of thunder on the South Atlantic coast, but again, no severe storms are forecast. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. This carries us through Wednesday morning of next week, so the bulk of this will be with the event late tomorrow and tomorrow night. And just not that much. Rain amounts near 1/2 inch over the Tennessee Valley, under 1/4 of an inch for much of the state. So let's break it down day by day. Model fans, this is the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Again, we have a northwest flow aloft. And a really nice day today. Lots of sunshine, highs, upper 60s and low 70s. Bring it on. So this is tomorrow. I think the bulk of the day will be dry. Clouds gradually increasing, the high close to 70. Low to mid-70s near the Gulf Coast. We will bring in the chance of a few showers tomorrow afternoon for the Tennessee Valley, mainly north of the Tennessee River. And this is tomorrow night at midnight, coming off the HER model. HER stands for High Resolution Rapid Refresh. And again, evidence of scattered spotty showers across the state and a band of showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two over Tennessee creeping into northwest Alabama. And that organized band will drop on down to the south late tomorrow night into the pre-dawn hours Friday. Again, moisture limited, hardly any instability, so rain amount should be on the light side. And then on Friday, the showers are out of here. We're expecting a clearing sky Friday with highs in the middle 60s. So really, temperatures only drop about 5 degrees in the wake of that front. And the weekend just looks nice. This is Saturday. The sky will be mostly sunny. Highs in the 60s. We do note with the cold core upper trough a chance of snow for some of the mountains of North Carolina and West Virginia, if this verifies. Hey, Sunday looks good. Sunny with highs upper 60s and low 70s. Just a glorious day. I think every weekend this year it's been either cold or wet. So we deserve a good one, and we're going to get one this weekend. So Monday, moisture begins to return. The sky partly sunny. We'll leave it dry, highs in the 70s. It should be the warmest stretch of days so far this year for the first half of next week. This is Tuesday, and again, we might consider the chance of a few scattered showers with moisture increasing. Highs Tuesday, mid to upper 70s, and we might see 80 in parts of South Alabama. How about that? And this is a week from today, Wednesday the 28th. There's a lot of buzz on social media about a big severe weather event here, and this thing's a week away, and don't buy into all the hype yet. Nobody knows. The bottom line is that the new run of the GFS depicting a trough well to the west, a cold front approaching, and that would suggest a chance of showers and thunderstorms Wednesday night and Thursday. Let's look at the European solution for Wednesday. And it's a little faster. It's got the surface low north of Indianapolis on the Indiana-Michigan border with a trailing front. And certainly, we could see some strong storms in the middle of next week. There's no doubt about that. Could there be maybe a few severe storms? Yes, but this is the instability coming off the European, and there's just not much in advance of that front. A little bit, yes, but you'd like to see those numbers a little higher, and you'd like to see the surface low a little farther to the south. The bottom line is, at the moment, it looks like the better dynamic support to the north, instability value somewhat low. It doesn't look like a major severe weather problem, but again, look, this is a week away. This all could change. We're at a time of the year where these things happen, so we'll watch trends as we go along. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday, the 1st of March, the first day of meteorological spring. Come on now. Look at the big ridge over much of the eastern two-thirds of the country, and if that's right, it would be very mild and dry. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean, it's that green line, a little under 3 inches between now and the 7th of March. Temperatures coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. Upper 60s, low 70s today and tomorrow. And again, the numbers just don't come down that much once that front passes tomorrow night. You see, Saturday we drop down to 63, but look at the first part of next week. The warmest weather so far this year with mid to upper 70s. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And again, South Alabama could see low 80s by Tuesday. And then we drop back in the 60s for the latter half of next week. But there's just no sign of any really cold air for the next couple of weeks. In fact, this is the long-range outlook into the first 5 days of March. And we stay solidly in the red, meaning temperatures above average. Now, looky here. These cows lined up to make a nice picture here. You know, they're going to make it on the video this morning, although there's one back there in the back that couldn't get in line there, but pretty good-looking shot yesterday. Everybody loves a good sunset, including our horse friends here. Cats love a good sunset as well. That was taken up in Marshall County, but really nice sunset last night. I love this shot. That's great. That's the Tennessee River last night. And railroad fans, anybody recognize this scene? That would be Railroad Park in downtown Birmingham. Really nice and a very comfortable evening last night. So today going to Walker County, Summerton Middle School. And then tonight I will be speaking to the annual Lovelady Center banquet. That's an amazing ministry out in Eastlake. They do so much for women and children. It's really good, and I'll see a big crowd there. Tomorrow going down into deep South Alabama, Pike County, Goshen Elementary School. Always looking forward to seeing our friends there. Then Friday I'll be seeing the little ones, the kindergarten pre-K kids at First Baptist Alabaster. Saturday it's Nashville. I'm going to be at Trevecca University for the annual Severe Weather Awareness Day that's put on by the National Weather Service in Nashville. And I am up speaking at 11. And again, we're going to do a case study. We're going to go back and look at March 25th, 2021. That was a day with long track tornadoes. We had loss of life. We'll take a look at the meteorological setup, how the watch warning process worked, what went right, what went wrong, and what we learned. And a lot was learned on that day. So I like to do those case studies. Again, that's Nashville Saturday morning at 11. I'll be back in Birmingham Saturday night to be a judge at the Unless You Talent Show at the Lyric Theater downtown. And again, that's a great ministry. And then Sunday, Agape Baptist Church in Scottsboro for a big event that starts at 6 o'clock up there. Looking forward to that up in Jackson County. And hey, we invite you to watch us on the television side this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.